Control 1 Battalion 3, we do have smoke showing. This will be a working fire.
Battalion 3 message received, smoke showing with a working fire.
Control 1 Battalion 3, second alarm.
Copy that, second alarm. The second alarm has been struck for the address of 1439 Kentfield Avenue. Companies due engine 20, engine 12, Truck-13, Battalion 2, Battalion 4, breathing support 9, and County IDT. The address again, second alarm, 1439 Kentfield, cross of Carroll. On the map, 3360. Companies due engine 20, engine 12, Truck-13, Battalion 2, Battalion 4, breathing support 9. Tactical will be control 5.
Right on Woodside.
Copy, additional line. Back of the...
I'd love to find the Thomas book here.
How am I looking on the right, Art?
You're real tight. Just take your time.
Think of it. Right behind me, Sean.
Got it. Cannot find the Thomas book.
Art, shouldn't be a problem to find.
What's that? Okay.
Shouldn't be a problem to find.
Oh, hello there. 790A1, did you call out, buddy?
790A1.
Okay. We'll just go up Woodside Road. And turn right on Kentfield.
See those kids? Okay, they've stopped.
Engine 12 is going to be backing you up on that side as well with another engine 3/4. Engine 12 assuming division, B as in boy.
Do you think it's closer to go Redwood to Kentfield to make a left?
If you know a better way.
Or is it closer to Woodside?
It's right, one block off of Woodside.
You go Woodside then.
It's a nice straighter shot.
Okay, I just didn't know which end it was on.
It's down at the other end, almost to Alameda, or halfway between Alameda and here.
Are those single-story homes down there?
I don't know what they are.
They've got duplexes and single-family dwellings, yeah.
Must be something Steve called a second fairly quick.
Yeah, right away.
See smoke?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, big time.
Big time?
Big time.
Looks like they got water on it, though.
Oh, yeah.
Take your time.
Don't scare them.
You just smoked the clutch. I smoked a little brake, too.
That smells pretty good.
That's not dinner yet.
Engine 11 and truck engine 9 Battalion 3, we got engine 12 set up as Division B.
Oh, it's knocking way down.
We've hit every red light.
Yeah, your timing is impeccable.
Division D command. Go ahead, 9.
Go ahead, Truck 13.
On arrival, we need your whole truck topside to assist with vertical ventilation.
Truck copy.
Oh yeah, vertical ventilation.
What do I get?
Truck copy. Okay, so everybody suit up, grab a couple saws and some tools, and
Division D command, what's the exposure look like?
we'll start playing.
Second ladder to the roof. I've actually got a second ladder up here.
And we'll have to steal a ladder somewhere.
So I'm going Woodside to what cross street?
This street, Kensington. The street we're looking for at the fire.
Is it cross there?
Yeah, Kentfield, excuse
On
me.
arrival, you're going to be search and rescue group. I need you to start with the back unit. It's a duplex. The rear unit, we believe there might still be somebody inside.
Medic 107, Pine Street.
Clear right?
Take 107, go.
Got it.
We're on scene.
Copy 107. Truck 9, go ahead.
Okay, here's Woodside Road, buddy.
Okay, copy that. Truck 9 advising primary search fire building all clear in the remainder of the fire building. Engine 20 will be handling the exposure building for search and rescue. Truck, are you guys topside cutting already?
We might get
Okay, copy that.
an assignment change.
Division D, go ahead.
Okay, tell me when we're getting close to Kentfield.
Okay, Kirk, your landmark's going to be a Jack in the Box.
Copy,
Okay.
fire control locked
It's going to be a
up.
lighted
Division D.
intersection.
That is Kentfield?
Yeah.
Engine 20 command. Okay, Adrian, you'll answer up to search and rescue group, and if you copied me earlier, start in the rear part of the building, the second duplex. We got a report of somebody possibly still inside. Division B, go ahead.
We send the medic team, medic 107 team in here to be the out team.
Copy that. Medic 107, can you scout up? Need you as the out team. Out team for the main entry point, which is Division B. Division D, go. Engine 10 is Division D. You and your rider should be Division D.
Go ahead,
Coming back
over.
across.
Yeah, next arriving
Clear.
unit, I'll get it.
Yeah.
Stand by, your operator's available. Engine 10, operator command. Engine operator. Engine 10, operator, I want you to shut down
I think this is it here, guys.
Yeah, I got a Jack in the Box here.
You got it. Kentfield.
Maybe Redwood was.
Okay, swinging out.
There it is. It's still working pretty good.
Group confirm the second unit is all clear. That's a problem. Okay, copy that. I'll need you to do a secondary search for me then of the primary fire area and the area above the fire.
Copy, we'll do a secondary search.
Ask them if there's a better approach to the scene, or if they want our stick, or.
Engine 9, go ahead.
Guys, we got 3 companies above that garage area. Secondary search has been completed. We have it all clear. We got
Get this
one
cop out of the way.
company in this room.
Okay, copy that. Secondary search of the fire building has been completed. We are all clear, no fire casualties.
Yeah, second search of the top. Second floor only.
Okay, guys.
copy.
We're going the roof.
Okay, search and rescue. Engine 20, I need you to do a secondary search of the ground floor.
Okay, getting off.
Okay. Truck 13 on the scene, vertical ventilation.
Truck 13, we've already got some of our firefighters working topside. They're going to need some more help.
Design operator, engine 9.
Engine 9, go.
Roof box, engine 9. Be advised, we're pulling the ceiling on the second floor. Water into the attic. Okay, we fill your water if we're in the same spot. And Truck-9. First floor, secondary complete. No sign of any victim.
Okay, copy that. First floor secondary search complete. Primary and secondary searches all complete.